Alright, well, finally get to see the studio.
Yes, sir.
Excited.
Top shelf, I'm rolling up. I can't start my day off with no mid. Just like double dutch. Don't you cross that line or you'll get hit.
Alright, I'm here with West Side Moe, the legend.
Yes, sir.
You know, any other nicknames they call you?
Man, West Side Moe, Mo E, Mo Money, West Side, all that, you know.
Yeah, you see the W.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm really just trying to get back outside. I used to make videos like this all the time, and just to kind of relaunch, I've been seeing, you know, Studio 93
Sure.
just all over the internet, and just, you know, I know that you make hits. I just seen you drop the song. So what was the motivation to launch your own studio?
I mean, you know, like since I've been running studios since I was a young kid, so like probably like, you know, since 18, I've been running studios, ripping and running. It's about like my, you know, fourth venture, first journey, excuse me, doing a studio and everything. I feel like this time around a little bit older and everything, so everything just, you know, it clicks, everything makes sense, it's effortless now.
Yeah.
It's not forced, it's not trying to just, you know, entertain yourself and have fun and too much leisure. It's more, let's get to work, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So that's what I appreciate. So, you know, me and Kid, you know, we sat down, you know, the first time initially too, our first studio, we sat down, we manifested in the whip every day, like,
Yeah.
we gonna get a studio, So this time around, it's like, it was effortless once again, you know, to manifest it and to have this opportunity arise, it only made sense to jump on it, so.
That's dope. That's dope. What's one piece of advice you could give to somebody that wants a studio or is in the studio game since you've been in the game for so long?
I think one of the most important things we do studios is first ask yourself, like, am I trying to run a business and do some commercial things, or is it just like more recreational, like I want to have a spot for my boys to pull up and create, you know what I mean, like your family members pull up and create, or if you run a business, because if you want to be a business, you gotta, you know, hold a certain standard. You gotta make sure you know, clean up with your cleanliness, make sure you're cleaning up everything, making sure, you know, everything's on point, having some waters for your gas, all different things. Like you're in like a real, you know what I mean, oiled business, you know what I mean, like a well-oiled machine. Versus where if it's more recreational, it's a little more laid back. You might have had nice furniture, you might have a bean bag, you might have like, you know what I mean, you might have the dopest plugins in your computer, but it's like, you got nothing to work, you know what I mean, create. So I think that's the biggest thing, because, you know, if you can't tell yourself you want to be a commercial studio and have clients and everything, but you're not, like I said, taking your furniture serious or your feng shui, your vibe serious, you know, everything down to the colored lights or whatever it may be, all those small things that seem small are very big. Like we got a TV in here, we never watch it unless it's like, you know, playoffs or like sports and stuff, but we're not in here watching TV. But the fact is, if you're a client, you come in here to see a TV, it's like, damn, they're taking it serious. You know what I mean?
I think one of the things that's, you know, on that type of thing, I've always hustled, and I've always ran my hustle like a job, and I've always put in work. And I see a lot of cats that want something, but they don't work it like a business or like a job. Like you'll go to a 9 to 5 from 9 to 5 every day and be like, oh, I want a business, but you won't put in 2, 3, 4 hours every single day to make it happen. So the fact that you got this space, the fact that you're running it like a business, I commend you on that.
Appreciate
it. Dope.
Appreciate
dope, man. What's you know, what's one major goal, if you had a magic wand, you could just hit it, what's one major goal that would kind of come out of this studio?
You know, we get a little bit older, like, you know, I'm still young, but I'm not spring chicken no more. So this stage of my life is like, the way I would love to give back is to be able to, you know, create a platform or help be that ladder for these next up and coming artists, you know, as far as these young cats, because, you know, there's a whole new wave, a whole new sound coming up, and it's like, these kids are real talented, man. Like they know sound theory now, they know all different things, like they know more than just, you know, rapping or singing. It's like you got subgenres of rapping now, so it's like, you know, I just want to be able to come across someone who has limitless, you know, potential or unlimited potential, you know what I mean, and just kind of, like I said, help them catapult basically, you know, based off what I know already, you know, who I can connect them with and just go from there. So, you know, all in all, in conclusion, I feel like the best thing I can do is just, like I said, be that ladder for the next up and coming artists.
That's dope. Yeah, I don't want to take up too much of your time. Like I said, I've been seeing you making moves out here, so I just appreciate you taking time.
Of course.
He has a studio, but he also has some fire merch. I'll do a little B-roll on the merch.
Sure.
And how can they follow you? How can they find you?
Yeah, man. You can find me anywhere in San Jose, man. You know what I mean? But, you know, you can follow me on social medias, man. West Side Moe. You know, Apple Music, all streaming platforms, West Side Moe. Instagram is West Side Moe _ after the E, so West Side MOE _. You know, we also have the clothing brand, Eradicate Clothing. That's on Instagram as well. Graphics. We got graphics _by_Moe MOE.
I'll tag all this.
Yeah, so just jack of all trades, man. Wear many hats. You know what I mean? So
you got to be like that living in the day.
Exactly.
I think it's funner too. You know what I mean? To kind of be a one-stop shop, especially when you have the ability and the skill set. So I think that's mad dope.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? So I've always rocked with you, and you know what I mean. Now that I'm back outside, I definitely think that I'm gonna manifest like a clean drop. Me and Mo have done some dope events together, some epic events together. I can't wait to really get back outside, and I'm doing some stuff, at the end of this month, and just an introduction. But once that pops off, after that, I'm back on the phone. Like, who wants to run it up again?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. Thank you for your time.
Appreciate you.
I'll talk to you soon, my guy. Make sure you guys tap in. All my artists. And just follow them. If you know people making music, just tag them in the post. It don't cost nothing to share and show love. So we out. Yee!
John Travolta, you know a nigga slick just like some grease. My bitch look like Kim K, but she not the Middle East. With this toaster, play with my bread. I'm from right here, you'll get traumatized. And these streets, every night